Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing with you how to find your Bybit wallet address. So let's get started. On your smartphone, launch your Bybit app. So here's my Bybit app. To find your wallet address, click on this assets or this wallet icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you click on it now, there you will see the option to deposit. So the deposit option is used when you want to receive money into your Bybit account, while the withdrawal option is used when you want to send money out of your Bybit account. So now we want to receive money into our Bybit account. That is why we are looking for address. So now click on deposit, and here you need to come down to deposit crypto. So when you click on this deposit crypto option, in the next screen you will see the list of cryptocurrencies that are available in the Bybit app. So you now have to choose the one you want to receive or the one you want to deposit into your Bybit account. So now here we have BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, and so on, SRP. So the one I've searched previously, as you can see here, is USDT, BTC, Notcoin, and Ton. So these are the available cryptos, and there are a lot of them. So you can use this search bar here to search for it. So but here I'm not searching for anything. So all I have to do now is to choose USDT, because the popular crypto that people normally buy and sell. So let me choose USDT. When I click on this USDT here now, it will select USDT for me automatically, and here I'll have to choose the network. So the network will be requested from the sender. So the person that wants to send the USDT to you will ask you to bring either ERC20 or TRC20 or Ton or AVAX. I think this one is AVAX or Solana network. So the sender will tell you the network that of the one you are going to give him or her to send the USDT for you. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of networks, but the popular one that I normally use is TRC20. So you just have to pay attention. Don't send TRC20 to another network or ERC. Just make sure you send it to the correct network. If you send to the wrong network, you will lose your money or you will lose your crypto. So don't ever do that. You pay attention and choose the correct network. So here now, let me choose TRC20 because the transfer fee is low. Let me choose this TRC20. So after choosing it, there is a notice that popped up here asking me to please confirm that you are depositing USDT to this address on the TRC20 network. So let's say, for an example, if I give someone TRC20 network address, and the person now send the money to ERC20, the fund or the money will be lost permanently. There's nothing you can do about it to recover it. So you just have to pay attention and send it the money and tell the depositor to deposit the money into the correct network. So let me click on OK now. So here you can see there is the QR code and this is the address. This is the address. So when you click on this now, you will copy the address and send to the sender. As you can see, saying address has been copied. You can as well copy the address from here, as you can see. So that is how to find your address. So but if you don't want to receive USDT, maybe you want to receive another network. Okay, let me say, for example, I want to receive Ton or Notcoin. Let me say I'll just choose here, and we see I'll just write Not, as you can see. So here, this is the available network. It has only one network, which is a Ton. So I'll just have to choose it, and the sender will make sure that he or she is sending the money to Ton network under the address you are going to give him or her. So as you can see, it's still the same notice. You just have to pay attention and send to the correct network. So let me click on OK, and here you can see this is the address. This is the address, and this is the tag or memo that is being required to receive money, to receive the money into your, or to deposit the money. This will be required, so you just have to copy it, and this is the address too. Just copy it and the money will be sent into your Bybit account. So that is all on how to find your Bybit wallet address. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are still finding it difficult to find your wallet address, feel free to contact me. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.